Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing the Rhino coffee hand grinder. This is the tall model. It's very similar to the compact, although the compact has, I believe it's a 25 gram bean capacity, while this one has a 50 gram capacity of coffee beans. Now, another noticeable difference between the two is that the compact also comes with an AeroPress adapter, so that way you can directly grind into the AeroPress instead of the container. Awesome. So first thing that we going to see when we open it up, it all comes out neatly. Now there is also an instructions booklet and a drawstring bag. So let's just take it all out. I'll just pop all this to the side. So we have the handle made from stainless steel and some plastic components. And then inside the lid, which is made from metal as well as some plastic. It has one bearing, although it is quite long and it runs all the way through. It has this brushed stainless steel all the way on the exterior with a grippy silicone wrap, which is very helpful to get a nice secure grip. It also has the 50 gram capacity container that you grind directly into. Now, if you look at the bottom, you've got the ceramic burrs and the adjuster. So to grind finer, you want to go all the way until the burrs are touching and then just loosen back a little bit. To go coarser, you just want to continue going. And you'll see that the gap starts to open up. Awesome. Incredibly smooth. It doesn't have any ball bearings, so it's not as smooth as something like the C2 or the Comandante, but that's okay. It still does have that smooth, durable feel to it. Okay, so that is the Rhino Coffee Gear tall hand grinder. Incredibly lightweight as well, and all in all, a really sturdy coffee grinder. The ceramic burrs are really easy to replace, and we'll do another video on that shortly. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.